This is Healthcare Inequity by Samir Hooker. My desired outcome. How I address the issue. With the ever-growing population of COVID-19 patients and the plight of people with health problems reaching its peak in America, my desired outcome is to get reform and equity in the healthcare world. Do I have a measurable outcome, and how will I know if I succeed? I measure my success based on how many people learned something new or gave me feedback on the issues. I was able to reach approximately 70 to 100 people combined. With those new people who are now aware of the issue and signing the petitions, I believe I am successful. Injustices within healthcare. Many doctors and healthcare workers discriminate against a person's race, gender, socioeconomic background, and geographic area of residence. Due to the lack of resource and money to pay for adequate doctors, low-income people face significant barriers when it comes to getting proper aid and care that they need. Communication source: my mother. As she's a low-income woman who suffers from an autoimmune disorders. She has experienced a direct challenge due to inadequacies within the healthcare system. Doctors do not provide her with the basic necessities and important information that is necessary for combating her life-threatening illnesses. My mother is a part of the target group who I am advocating for. American people who are low income and have health problems, who are in never-ending cycle of disparity with money, doctors, and healthcare outcome. I get to see an authentic perspective on how healthcare remains to be a luxury instead of a necessity. I also get to see what can be made better and what is a problem with healthcare today. For my awareness piece, my first step and my most successful step was petitioning. By creating a petition and getting a significant amount of people to sign, this proves that there is merit to my idea and that there is a serious issue on hand. It also serves as an easy way to raise awareness on the topic. For my second step for my awareness, I wrote letters or emails. I emailed the health reporter for the SF Chronicle asking for ways to get the word out on different information found on numerous websites that address the healthcare disparity crisis. I would say that I was successful. I was unsuccessful. I would say that while this is an unsuccessful way to educate others about the injustices within the healthcare system, I'll be writing to others to publish on different websites to keep advocating for my cause. Outcome. While I wished I received a letter back from the newspaper editor, I unfortunately was unable to. The last is social media. Posting on social media helped to raise awareness for my issue by allowing my peers to gain information about an important topic through a networking platform that is widely used. I was successful because I gained a good amount of followers who were engaged in my posts and commenting on some of the information I posted about. Pressure piece. Reasoning why I used petitioning for my pressure. To apply pressure and get my idea through, petitioning gave my best results. People engaged in my cause, voiced their opinions of support, and followed my Change.org campaign and putting me in a position to launch my agenda onto a global level. My outcome was I received a lot of support and praise from the petition I created and was able to gain organic support that can be used in my fight for equity among healthcare conglomerates. Solutions that I found for these injustices: donating to causes who fight back against healthcare inequalities, volunteering with vulnerable populations, advocating for my own city through my peers, and raising awareness among state legislators and government officials.